File menu. If we go up into our quick access toolbar, we hit the file menu, we hit the down arrow, we have a lot of options relating to handling of our files and designs. So whenever we want to start a new design, we start with a new design. So we're starting here with a new design, then we sketch. We could start a new electronics design. We could start a new drawing. We could open an existing design or an existing drawing, and we also can upload things, and we can save, of course, at any time. We can save, and we can also do a save as. We can export things out. We can 3D print, which will convert it to an STL file, which allows us to 3D print that. And we can capture an image. This is kind of handy. It captures the current canvas as an image, so you can do presentations and things like that. You can also share, so you can launch a screencast recording of this and put this up onto various spots on the internet. And we also can control our view, so we can hide our view cube, and we can hide our browser and things like that. So we can control then what we want to do as far as how our interface looks. So our file menu just controls a lot of our handling of our files, and basically, and so you'll get used to them, and you'll go to your go-to ones all the time. So our file menu is located in our quick access toolbar.